never got the right answer on number 6. Like, I never got any of those answers, period.
Oh,
So I don't
okay.
know
I got that
what
one.
I'm doing
Well,
wrong.
I got one of the answers. I don't know if it's the right answer because there's no answer key for this one. But I got C. Let me find it really quick first. Sorry. Internet is really being awful right now. Um,
Okay.
let's see. Come on. Okay, so for this one, I plugged it into so the margin of error was that like 1.96 times the sigma over radical n formula.
Which is probably why I never got anything correct, because I bet I lost a decimal or something.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So it should have been, you can bring the radical n to one side of the formula and put the 0.0001 on the other side. Does that make sense? So if you like multiply
Yeah.
both sides by radical n and then divide both sides by 0.001.
Okay, that makes sense. I, yeah, then, okay.
Did
Yeah,
you
I just
get an
lost a
answer
decimal
from
point.
it?
Yeah,
Okay,
I see what I
sweet.
did. Now that I'm going through it, I'm like, oh, that makes sense. I lost a decimal. You lose that 0 point, one of those zeros, and you're messed up big time. No wonder I
Yeah.
never got one of those. And I was like, what am I doing? I
Yeah.
thought about going the other direction, and then I was like, no, because I'm really not sure I'm doing it right the first part. So,
Yeah.
okay.
Um, I had a question on, I think it was, let me see. Let me find it. Hold on. I want to say it was 15. Um, yeah. Okay, so for both 15 and 17, I wasn't sure when you know if sigma is known or unknown because they give us data like before, but is it always unknown when you're doing a t-test?
Okay. I don't see, and I debated on that one too. I cannot.
Okay. So for
For number
17,
17, it's the, I mean, it's obviously, it's going to be the difference of means.
yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay.
That one using independent samples. But for
Yeah.
15, I just don't know the difference between when you have sigma known and unknown. Because they're so closely related, it seems. So I don't know. Let's see what else. Like, this internet is bugging me.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
So but in this we would know the mean. I mean, you could find the mean.
I want to say that, but I haven't seen anywhere where we weren't given the mean though,
That's what I'm struggling with because
or
I
the
mean,
sigma. Yeah. Because even the samples where they were like, oh, you don't know the sigma, you used S instead because
yeah.
you still had a form of sigma. It just wasn't known. So I don't know if that means they have to give you sigma for it to be known. I think I'm gonna put that as a question on this
Okay.
week.
Well,
Oh, we don't even have a group collaboration this week.
but it's also less than 30, so you can't. So I think it's unknown. I'm going to say
Okay.
B because it's unknown because it's less than 30, which is part of for the sigma unknown for the
Okay.
yeah.
What lesson was that in? You know?
I don't know, but I'm looking back through my notes and looking at my what somebody recommended to me, which was like the stats website for like dummies.
Oh, okay. That's
Like,
what
thank
I need.
that's what I need. I'm not doing so hot, so
Yep. Internet.
So for number 4, did you get confidence interval when sigma is unknown?
Hold on, I look. Number 4?
Mm-hmm. On the quiz. Sorry, I'm on the quiz now.
On the quiz. Okay, what was that? I got B. Let's see. Nope, just kidding.
Yeah, it's different than what you can't go through.
Yeah.
That's because that's what I did. And I went, wait, what?
Ah! Yeah, I got unknown.
Okay.
And then, did you get normal because, or yes, normal because the data is normal?
Yes.
Okay.
And then on the second one, 90% of all people have a heart rate between 45 and 105.
Oh,
Isn't that what that means?
I thought it was we are 90% confident that the true mean heart rate, the first one.
Am I flip-flopping those? Because, oh, I probably am. I was thinking the 68, the bell curve thing.
Oh, the bell curve. I think
Which
that's
is,
different than the confidence level because I'm pretty sure the confidence level has the word confident in the phrase.
okay, let me see. Okay.
Okay, I found my notes on it. So, when you use confidence interval, you say we are blank percent confident true mean lies within upper and lower bounds of the confidence interval.
Okay, so that makes more sense.
Let's see, and then. Okay, so for this one, number 5, I got the first one. Because I have written down somewhere that if you increase n, you're increasing the width. And so if you decrease n, you decrease the width. And we're trying to find a smaller margin.
Right.
Did you get that too?
That's what yeah.
Okay. Color. Okay, what number is that? Okay, I got the first one. This one.
You got 998 and 0.040. Because I don't think that's what I got.
What did you get? Did you get one of those?
Yeah, I got this third one. Let me make sure. But I might have just written it down. My notes are not the prettiest right now. I'm like, is that an A or a C or a B or a D? But I can see my math still, so I can still subtract
There we
out what I
go.
did. Okay, yeah, I got the first one. 99804.
Okay.
How's about I'm gonna start writing a little neat. The back of my paper's cleaner.
um,
It would be the first one. The mean is less than 1250.
yes.
Okay.
I'm getting backwards on my what number we're on.
You have to go down one because there's an extra question at the beginning. It's like, it'd be nice if they put that at the end.
Yeah, right? So the numbering doesn't get off?
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Okay, so then number 9, I got p-values less than alpha,
Mm-hmm.
or whatever that is. And then I got yes, it is enough that the data are bell-shaped.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, oh shoot, okay, wait, so you're going down one. So 11 would be 10? Okay. I got a
Yeah.
type
Let me
1
double check,
error
make
for
sure.
that one.
Yeah, I got a type 1 error.
Okay. And then next one, I got the last reduce probability of type 1, you increase probability type 2.
Yes. Got that.
Okay. This one, oh, you know what? I had never calculated this. Shoot. Hold on one sec. Let's see. Okay, did you get the p-value is 1 point? Nope, just kidding. Hold on. Yeah, I got that in the template. Come on, internet. Okay, did you get the p-value as like 0.03, so you'd reject the null?
Yes.
Okay. And
But I am
then...
always opposite on those, so I'm not sure I was right.
Okay,
I
so
always flip flop when you reject and when you don't.
yeah, I'm almost positive if the p-value is smaller than the null or the level of significance, you reject it because it's saying, okay, your data was within what you had thought.
Okay.
Like your test you're doing is if it fits what we think it will. So if it
Right.
doesn't, if it's not, if the p-value is small enough, then it does. So then we can go
So on
against
this
the
one,
null.
because of the where of the inequality, it's rejecting the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Okay.
I have spent
And
more time
then
today studying that than should be allowed.
yeah, I mean, I like tried
It's
memorizing
still
the
it's just
formula, and that's all I
opposite
could do.
me.
Yeah, I mean, I have
Because
to have it
I
like written
read
down
it and
somewhere to
it
look
still just looks backwards to me.
at. Getting your arrows mixed up.
Yeah, I constantly.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so for the next one, um,
It's not a paired sample. It has to be independent samples. It's the independent. Oh
okay.
crud! Wait,
I'm
no.
between independent or an ANOVA because the ANOVA had said it's a test for equality of several means. So I'm pretty sure since we're trying to test to see if these means are the same, we use the ANOVA.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think it is the ANOVA
Okay.
because it's not asking if how they're related.
Yeah. Okay, and then 15, which is 14. Okay, I got dependent sampling, the last one. Because if one brother's
Yes.
in it, it makes his sister in it.
Right.
Okay. And then, okay, and then this one's the one we're not sure about. Shoot.
But
It's
I think it's unknown.
I think every time we use that confidence interval. Oh, no.
Because you can't.
I don't know. Yeah, I think when they put like the 95% confidence interval stuff, I don't think we've had a sigma known since we've used that.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Then, okay, I got 11.168, the last one.
Mhm.
Get that? Okay.
That's what I got.
Sweet. Okay, so for this one, it's the independent samples. And then, did you get negative 423?
Yes.
Okay. And then, okay, I was kind of confused on this next one. I thought it was independent samples t-test.
Well, okay. The reason I thought it was the ANOVA because it wants to know if it's different between the three groups of rats.
Let's see, hold on. Let's see. Oh, okay, I can see that now. Yeah. Yeah. I wonder if that changes my test statistic. Hold on. Did you get 7.978 as your test statistic?
Yes.
Okay. Um, wait. Okay. Okay, got it. And then 0.002.
Mhm.
So this one, oh, okay.
This is where I'm always opposite of what I should be. I need to just
Yeah.
answer opposite and be like, oh, okay, I'll probably be right if I do
Right?
that. Stop
Right?
overthinking it.
Yeah. So this one is kind of weird because it's the A number one's kind of different. So I think there's sufficient evidence that one of the means is different. So it'd be B. I'm pretty sure.
Even if, okay, so because even with such a low p-value, because that's where I questioned that one.
No, so if the p-value is low, then you reject it.
Okay.
So for this one, because the p-value is low, you're rejecting the idea that they're all the same. There's
Okay, that makes more
evidence to
sense.
say that one of them's got to be different.
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Let me double check really quick, but I think that's what the few. Yeah, because the null for the ANOVA is that all the means are equal.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay. Okay, direct flight cost. This one is dependent, right? Maybe?
Let me look quick. Yes.
Because for every value of A, there's a
Sorry.
value.
You have the other the same flight or
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, now this one, my Excel is still loading, so give me a sec. It's been loading for a while. I know we've used this Excel data, so there's got to be somewhere these questions already for it. You know? Let's see. So for this one, we're only looking for if there's a difference, right? So not equal.
right.
Okay. That one got me confused because at first I thought she was just looking for cheaper flights, but come on, Excel, work with me. Sorry, give me one sec.
That's okay.
Need a bugger. Okay, also another question for this test. The ones that didn't have a value, do we put a 0 in for them, or can we not use them as a difference?
You know, okay, so I've done it both ways.
Okay.
I mean, it
It
definitely
changes
changes it,
value.
so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
So, okay, let me try without
But
putting
if
the
you
zeros
take it
in, see if
out,
there's options. So I feel like I'd give you the wrong end. But let me see if there's
yeah.
even a multiple choice answer for it. Let's see. Oh, and it's 9. Okay. I gotta change the confidence level too. Okay. So the t-value I get for this is 1.685, which is an option.
Yeah, which is what I got when I put everything in.
Did you put zeros in?
No, I just left everything I just cut and pasted it.
Yeah, that's
I
what I
didn't
just
put
did.
zeros or
So
anything.
let me just check and see if I put zeros in, if it does anything. If it gives like a t-value that is usable too. Because if it's not on the multiple choice list, then we're good. Okay, the t-value is 1.636, which isn't an option. Okay, so you don't need to put zeros in.
Yeah, I think it just
Okay.
automatically.
Yeah.
Well, I think if you put
Is there a
zeros in, like
difference?
for Excel, what it would be doing is saying that that's what you got your flight for. So if you leave it
Yeah,
out, it just doesn't compute that particular
that
part of
makes
it.
sense. Yeah, it definitely does. Okay. So, let's see. T-value is that. P-value. I got 0.096. Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, so 0.096. is smaller than 0.10. Yeah, okay. I gotta do the math in my
Yes,
head.
I have to write it so I can see it like next to each other.
So then there
Oh.
is sufficient evidence that there is a difference in the cost. So B. Is that what you
Oh,
got?
yay! I finally got one of those right.
Woo! Now you can't do the opposite,
It's
or
like
else
there is
you're gonna
sufficient
get
evidence that
confused.
there's. I know.
Okay, I'm gonna hit submit.
Because it seems like you could put anything you wanted in there. So I answer all of them.
Yeah. Okay, I got some wrong. Oh, and one of them is the confidence interval stuff.
So is it confidence? Does it
Sigma's
tell us what?
no. Doesn't tell you why, but just says sigma is no.
That's odd.
Yeah. So I got 14 wrong. And oh nope, that's not 14 in here. That'd be 13. And 5, which is 4 there. And where's 4?
Yeah, that's a paired sample t-test. I went back and changed that.
Sorry, for what number? 14?
So yeah, is 14 a paired sample t-test? I bet.
Oh. Okay. Got it. So even though the
Because
comparing means. Okay. So is ANOVA used more often for more than 2 samples, I'm assuming?
no, it's not a paired sample t-test because that's what I put in. So it must be an independent. It's an independent samples t-test. Sorry.
Okay.
ANOVA is when you have multiple. Like you have to. I think you have to have it.
Yeah. And it's definitely not paired sample because you're not
Yeah, because you don't have.
comparing the two. Ugh. And then let's see what up to. Did you get 5 right?
No, I got 5 wrong, and I'm thinking what it is that you need 90 instead of 30. Let me look back. Because there was something else about that too, about like getting if you used more.
Because I have down if n increases the width. Oh shoot! I read it wrong. If n increases, the width decreases. So
Yeah.
it is B. Okay. So 30, yeah, 30. Okay, and then are we allowed to use notes for?
I think we can use a page of notes.
Okay, I need to make that tonight. Okay.
Yeah. I get to take my test Friday night. Fun.
Woo! Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and do it tomorrow. We'll see though. I didn't even realize we had a test this week. I'm like, until I started the lesson 15 earlier today, I was like, wait, review for exam 2. When's exam 2? Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I have it on my calendar, but I don't check my calendar as often as I should.
Yeah, oh my gosh. And so I have 2 other classes that had tests the same time as the first exam in this class. And both of those classes, like, over time were like, oh yeah, the second unit will be shorter, la da da. So I was like, cool, they're not going to line up together. No, they both lined up together, and they still lined up with the Unit 2 test for this class. So I still have 3 tests in the same week, like last unit.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so for 4, are we just saying that it's probably known? Is that what
I
we're
don't
thinking?
know. I still don't know that. I don't think it's known. That doesn't make sense. I mean, it doesn't make sense for it to be known.
Yeah.
I think it's more likely one of the samples ones because we are using a sample.
Okay. So, okay, let me read through this. Researchers want to determine whether the reaction time to go/no-go stimulus in males differed from females. So I think it's D, difference in means using
I think so.
independent samples.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Well, that does not make me feel better about taking this test.
I don't know if anything is going to make me feel better about taking this test. Oh,
No. Nope.
no. Okay. Just remember, C's get degrees. That's what my brother keeps telling me.
Woo! That is what's gotten me through college, man. Oh my gosh.
Well, he has a doctorate, so he's like, just remember, C's get degrees. And I'm like, yeah, shut up.
I'm pretty sure he probably got A's the whole time.
No. He was like, there were classes that I made C's in. Don't worry, because if it's
Okay.
not really that important to your major, don't stress out. I'm like, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I don't plan on ever teaching stats, so
Yeah.
hopefully will not matter. I got programs for figuring out grades for kids, so oh my gosh. Okay, well, good luck on the test,
Thanks.
and hopefully Abe will join us next time.
Hopefully. All right.
I will see you on Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay, bye.